please allow me to.
Just 1 minute, Congressman.
No, Mr.
Comeaños.
Chair, please
Just 1
give me
minute.
the leeway here. Hindi totoo yung alegasyon ng Malacanang ni 5 may dumaan sa akin, Mr. Chair. Hindi totoo yun. Ni 5 walang dumaan na DAP. Pangalawa, ang mga kongresista na nag-endorse ng project na pinondohan ng DAP, nung nalaman nilang DAP pala yan at nalaman nilang masama yan, ang dapat na posisyon, kondinahin yun. Hindi pwedeng, alam mo nang DAP yun at masama yun, pero napondohan kasi ang isang proyekto mo, susuporta ka pa rin. Yan ang immoral na posisyon. Pangalawa, ano ang kinalaman kung ang isang congressman ay may proyektong pinondohan ng DAP? Hipokrito ba yan? Hindi. Si Secretary Butch Abad, when he came over to the opposition na sila noong panahon ni Gloria Arroyo, did we say, you have no right to transfer to the opposition, you benefited during the time of Gloria Arroyo? No, we didn't say that. We said, welcome kasi nalaman nyo na kung gaano kasama ang dating presidente, kaya may dapat lang lumipat kayo sa oposisyon. Congressman Ebardone was with President Arroyo before. Now he is against Aquino. No, he is against Aquino. Did we say balimbing ka? No, we didn't say balimbing ka. Did we say na wala kang prinsipyo? No, we didn't say that. Ang sinasabi namin kay Congressman Ebardone, principled ang posisyon mo na lumipat ka from Arroyo to Aquino kasi tingin mo, tama si President Aquino, dapat lang ipakulong si Arroyo. So wala kaming sinasabi dito kay Congressman Ebardone na porket may mga kongresista dito na tumanggap ng pondo sa DAP sa proyekto nila, dapat Mr. Chair, inhibited sila. No, Mr. Chair. They should not be inhibited. That is an irrelevant point, Mr. Chair, and that should not be considered.
There's a point of order.
Mr. Chair, reiterate, hindi totoo yung sinabi ng Malacanang that we received DAP.
There's a point of order. What is the rule?
You are misleading the issue at hand. The issue is the culpability of President Aquino and not the fact that you received 100 million pesos of DAP, Mr. Chair.
Order.
Mr. Chairman, please, Mr. Chairman,
Okay,
please.
Mas malaki pa siya kaysa sa'yo, Mr. Chair. Mas malaki pa yung
There is
natanggap ng
order,
DAP,
please. The
Mr.
chair is already.
Mr. Chairman, please, this representation has been alluded to.
You alluded to us. This is
1 minute
not
suspension.
relevant here.
Accused, Mr. Chairman.
If you want to go there, we will list all members of Congress with DAP. You want to go there, Congressman Ebardone?
Very suspended. Suspended.